Okay, that's fine. Hello everyone. I'm going to show you this university, the Agriculture University, Sangwar University of Technology and Science. Okay. So this is the main road and VIP road of this university. And one by one, step by step, I'm going to show you all the faculties of this university. And this road is going towards the Chief Proctor office, and all of official works are going to be done on this. You are going to show this is Ohmes and Kamal Kelal tea shop, and this is VIP tea shop and more sweetening tea shop, and this is the playground, VIP playground with the shade trees, and this is parking area where all the vehicles are going to stand. And we are VIP, so we are anyone is not going to stop us. We can go. This is Cafe Aziz, and right now due to the COVID-19, it is off and closed. Again, I'm going to show you this beautiful and mind-blowing playground with a lot of beauties. And this is the road of biotechnology, VIP biotechnology, playground of biotechnology. Every faculty has its own playground for the children to enjoy and for any amusement and the cricket matches or the football. Agriculture Institute in Begao Institute of Agriculture and Technology, and all the agricultural instruments are here. Agriculture, Irrigation and Technology. This is the VIP area, and this is the faculty of biotechnology, BIP faculty. Much more looking beautiful from outside. Interior is much more than this. For you again, this beautiful, looking beautiful and gorgeous. So again, we are moving forward for all this. Yeah, this is the beautiful area and parking area. Everyone is standing here. All the children's. And I'm showing you from all sides. Biotechnology canteen. I'm going to show you with much more clear what a canteen is this. And canteen has its own also playground. Not playground, for the children's ground. To enjoy, everyone is going to enjoy here. And here, this is an agriculture university. That's why much more plantation are there. This is NBA's background portion, Department of Agriculture, Extension and Communication. So Nani Agriculture Institute. This is a backward gate, and this is the backward gate of Nani Agriculture Institute, and is the College of Forestry of students. College of Forestry. And the Faculty of Forestry. So you can see this very clearly. I'm showing you from all the sides, backward, forward, side. Here is the Forest Nursery and Research Center, College of Forestry. This is the research center of this faculty. You can see this. What a beautiful, particularly in the best manner, the plants are planted here. You can see. So we are working a lot to show you all beautiful things, important things of this university. And you can see what a plantation are there. New variety of plants, experimental plants. The students are working there. And this is Range Rover of this faculty. Everyone, engineering and technology, all these faculties of engineering is there. You can see this very clearly. All the PE, BTech, all the departments are present here. This is a peak faculty, the most important faculty for the present time. Move forward. All the see Dadda is present. The COVID-19. The students are not here. Some teachers, classes are running online. Here, this is the ground of engineering college. The students enjoy here. Yes, look here. Look here. What a beautiful, mind-blowing scene. Amazing. Lovely. With lovely ground and lovely plantation. And here, I'm going to show you. Yeah, this
route of education department.
This is the road of education department. Somewhat disturbed road because it is much more in running condition. Everyone is moving here. It's a more speed and a power speed. That's why the road become cracked. So this is a side area of this engineering faculty. It's a huge faculty because all the department of B or BTech is present here. Everyone is enjoying a lot, making seminar everywhere. This is a center for the human resources development, CHRD. Beautiful day present here. Variety of things. This and here. This is the class is the outside area, and this is the faculty of film and mass communication. This is a backward area. No, not backward portion of this building, not backward area. Sorry. So you can see here, every faculty is matched with more and more development. Yeah, development is quite good. Best way. So you can see here the faculty of film and mass communication. Clearly you can see. This is the faculty of the School of Film and Mass Communication, Sangatta University. Faculty of Management and Humanities and Social Science, SUARTS. So this is the entry gate. You can see this very clearly. This sister is present here for our welcome, and for you welcome also. See, it's quite good in all the form. And here this is husbandry area. Husbandry area just present beside inside of the engineering faculty. Husbandry area is the main canteen. Everything is available here. Only veg, not non-veg. Green cafe, and this is a residential area. Everyone, every staff or their children stay there, live here. And this is the girl hostel. So, and also I am going to show you security area. Security facility much more better. See this uncle, security guard. And also I am going to show you the one more, and CCTV cameras also available here for surveillances and recording. And this is the security office. Oh, not security office, women's hostel present here. And this is road area. Here vehicles are not allowed, only staff vehicles are allowed. No one can move here. And beside us, this is women's hostel. This is the roadway, the way going toward this. This is security area. Security. And this is Ithilin College of Health Science, Home Science, not Health Science, sorry. Center of Excellence under Nutri Farms scheme. And this is the security office. And some shopping area is also present here. You can shop everything clearly and best way. So finally we have completed 90% of area. I'm going to show you some things, some area. Clearly you can see proctor office. This is a future faculty. We doesn't know what faculty is this, for what kind of faculty. I think this is a medical faculty. VIP way. This is a library. Library information science. library and information science present here.
Central Library is here.
Central Library Proctor Office is present here. You can see this board. Oh shit! I'm going to show clearly. Yeah. Everyone is showing that you are under CCTV surveillance. Plantation. I'm showing you again and again. Beautiful plantation is here.
पहले घुमा के दिखाओ ये VIP से।
What a VIP plantation is here. Yeah, this is best area, and main everywhere in all you can see. And here in this playground, all the programs, any occasion are going to be held here. The university programs are held here in this area, and there this is boy hostel, and this boys hostel. And what a beautiful line here. शिक्षा मनुष्य की प्रवृत्ति को मुक्त करने के लिए है. Wow, mind blowing. And this is administrative block 1, office of all the officers, all the office here present here. You can meet all the teacher, staff, member here. You can see here. And this is the beautiful plantation. What a plantation. What a beautiful plantation is going to be here. You are not going to see in any university like this, except someone. Because exception is everywhere. So I am not going to say that you cannot ever see like this. And here this is the boy hostel, and also the exit gate and entry gate is present here. But only you can enter with your foot, not by any vehicles. And here this is a registrar office. All the official works like your fees collection, any inquiry, or a registration, or admission inquiry, or your collection of migration, or collection of your PDC, provisional degree certificate, and migration, and your character certificate. All the official work are making here. And in this building I'm going to show you pathway, runway, not pathway. What a runway is here. Beautiful and lovely runway with red carpet. It's looking like red carpet. Much more better feeling we are getting right now. Everyone is standing here. All the works. I'm going to show you this badminton ground here right now. It is a dark area. Registrar office. Registrar office, you can see this clearly. Registrar office. Here, this is Vice Chancellor office. Teacher is going to enter. But all the importance lighting is here available also. All the seminars. This is VIP way, VIP area, and fee counter, interior fee counter at the time of admission. This area is available for the collection of fees. Here the special park.
Department of Chemistry.
Special park is available here for sitting. Every couples are also here. Romantic place is this. This is much more romantic place. What a beauty. Yeah, you can see here clearly. All the things are available here. Everyone is sitting here with all the way. I am going to show the faculty of chemistry. Someone is relaxed, someone is enjoying. Everyone is in their own mood, enjoying a lot with their own. And this is garden. I will tell you, I am making you aware with this name, this plant, love garden. Everyone is telling that this is love garden. This is agronomy department, सस्य विज्ञान विभाग. What a beautiful area. And this is the what a ground, because of sunlight, direct sunlight. little bit darkness coming on this phone. Nani Agriculture Institute. This is a drinking water area. And yeah, this is the College of Forestry. I've shown you before this College of Forestry. I'm showing you again with all these sites. What a beautiful place, beautiful department, beautiful faculty, which is all the lovely with all its lovelies. So the faculty of forestry. What a faculty! Everyone is showing that this faculty is not good, but I have seen, yeah, they keep beautiful and gorgeous. I think everyone is mad. Look at the stairs. What a stairs are there? First aid box, but locked, not for our use. This faculty of the important things. This is faculty of chemistry, horticulture department. This is beautiful area of the horticulture. All the MSc students and agriculture students are going to plant, making plantation for research. I'm going to show you Department of Chemistry. This is Department of Chemistry. All the chemical works are doing here. It's a Department of Forensic Science and Faculty of Science and Department of Chemistry, School of Basic Science. All these sitting area is also available here for the couples sitting. Every couples are going to sit here because in this university you can see much more couples are present here. Not couple, I think I can say you like a boyfriend. Yeah, like that. So enjoy it a lot. So I'm going to show you the Ching Chong Chings present here. These Ching Chong Chings are in this faculty. Ching Chong Chings studying more. That's why they are present here in a huge amount. This is Christian college, na? That's why everywhere Lord, Bible, plus signature. And the founder of here. This is the picture. I'm showing you. This is the founder of Sam Higginbottom University. Dr. Sam Higginbottom, 1874 he has taken the birth. Till 1958 he is here on this beautiful earth and founded a. Thank you for seeing this video. I think you have enjoyed a lot with this video. And forward this video, share and like more. I think you will all do your best in making this